Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you an interesting website. It's called Templatemaker.nl. Here you can create various boxes which you can use for gifting, whether you can create a bag, grocery bag with paper, you can create box with lid. These are things which is difficult to create if you try to create without a template. So here you can come and address the length, that is the shape, tilt, height. Then based on that it will create the dimensions, and you can just take a printout and you can fold it and create these things very easily. So difficult things will become very easy when you use this. So now let's look at something very simple. Let's say a gift box. So if you come to this gift box, so these are various shapes that is available here. So now this is the gift box. So if you look at it, this is how it has to be printed, and it has to be folded to get into this particular shape. So you see this. So this could be very useful if you're running your own business. Then if you want to create something of this sort, you can create it. So best thing about this thing is that you can set your own settings. Now you say in centimeters, right? I'll say that I want the length to be 10 centimeters. So it will adjust the size accordingly. Okay, so I'm going to say width is 5, height is 7. So based on the product that I have, I can tweak it. Then these are the optional parameters: thumb hole diameter, trunk flap size, glue flap angle. If I want, I can change it. Okay, so you see this will change here dynamically. The material thickness, document options, margin, right? Then finally I can click on file format. Then I can export it in the format that I want. So now if I say PDF, then it's going to create that PDF. Okay, so I'm going to say PDF. So now it has already created that PDF. I'm going to open it. Now you see, this is the gift box that is created using Template Maker. Now if you look at it, this is how it is created, right? Now if you take a printout of it, then you could get that in the exact dimensions that you are looking for, right? So this way it is very useful to create various templates. Now if you go back, if I want to create a paperback, so these are very popular. This is a paperback which is very popular in stores. So if you want to create something like this at home, this is how you do it. So if I want the length of it, let's say I want it to be, this is the fold, the width, this is the length, this is the height. Let's say I want the height to be very big. Okay, I'm saying that. Now based on that, I will say create it. So now if you look at it, so this is the length of the paperback, and this is how I need to fold. So I can create that pretty easily. Now if you go back to Template Maker, I can create pretty much anything of any shape, even complex boxes like this. See, this is gifting box, I guess. Then you have a cylinder. Then you have a heart-shaped box, will be particularly better for Valentine's Day. So let's look at this once. This is quite interesting how you get in the heart shape. You see, this is a lid, this is a shape, right? So this is how it has to be cut out to create that particular shape. Now if you look at it, other things, this is like a cake slice box. So this is how you create it. So the best part is that based on the dynamic value that you put in, you can easily create these things. Otherwise it would be very difficult to figure out the values and create that. So that job is simplified by this tool. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.